Let's see the step-by-step process of how to buy a Nitro subscription on Discord if you want access to custom emojis, better streaming quality, bigger upload limits, and more. Launch updated Discord on your device. Now, the free option is not available after January 29th, 2026, but to buy the sub, let's click on the Try 1 month free button, and then select your plan, whether it's yearly or monthly. Press Next. And now you got to select your payment method from card, PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. You will be redirected into the browser. Now you got to log in to your Discord account either manually by putting down the email or phone number and password, or using the QR code, but scanning the code is recommended, which worked in our case. And then hit login. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now, you got to put down the credentials or card numbers from which you want to pay the subscription. Just go ahead carefully, write down all the information in here, and then click on Next. You'll need to provide some additional details, including your country, address, city, and state. Simply fill out the form with the required information one after another, and then click on Next. As you can see, the payment method is saved and accepted in Discord. Click on the Get Nitro button. Wait for a few seconds for the authentication process. Next, select which source you want to send the transaction OTP to verify the payment, and then click on Submit. The code will be sent to your selected source. Get that, and then carefully put it down right here, and then click on Submit. And that's it! Your Nitro subscription is activated. You can now go ahead, hit Return to App, and the same Nitro activated prompt will show up in here as well, along with your Discord account name. And that's all for today. Thanks for your time.